Alright everybody, today we cracking open these new Pokemon Go mini tins. Got 5 of them. We got Snorlax, Magikarp, Eevee, we got the Blissey tin, and then we got everybody's favorite, Pikachu. Let's do it. Alright, inside the tins, we have these cool collector's coins. We got the puzzle piece, complete the map. We got the code card. See where it is. And it's over there, boom. And then we also have 2 packs of Pokemon Go cards. Alright, so let's jump right into it, people. First pack. I haven't really opened too much of these. Oh, we got something shiny back there already. Let's do this. Larvitar, Tranquil, Mewtwo, Ambipom, Tranquil, and Mewtwo V-Star. A Mewtwo V-Star. Right off the bat, we got a banger. Right off the bat. Set that back there on our wall. Slowbro, Poketor, Pokestop, and then there's the code card. Alright. Okay, second pack. Pack number 2. Pack number 2. Let's keep the magic going. Let's keep the good times rolling. Let's keep the good times rolling. And I missed this. I haven't cracked open any packs in a couple weeks now. I've been doing a little traveling and taking vacations. But we got a Gyarados. Here. And you know what? I hadn't even been looking for the Ditto card. Make sure I didn't miss that anywhere. You know, the Ditto is pretty cool one to find. And I'll go back through the other ones later, see if I have them. Alright, pack 3. Pack number 3. And the card that you want is the Mewtwo Alt Art out of this set. I think that's going for around like $80 the last time I checked. Tranquil, Larvitar, we got something else shiny back there. Mewtwo, Ambipom Spark, and we got Conkeldurr V. Okay, Conkeldurr V. We're gonna stick that back there on our wall of cards. Slowbro, Lunatone, and Ivysaur. Boom. Okay. Alright. Next card. Pack 4. Here we go. Pack 4. Eevee, Raticate, Bulbasaur, Tranquil, Tyranitar, Lapras, and Energy, Candela, Slowbro, Pupitar, code card. Alright, pack 5. Pack number 5. Pack number 5. We got Miltank, Eevee, Pikachu, Squirtle, Spinarak, Venusaur, that's a cool card. Another Tyranitar, Energy, Lola, Ivysaur. And we're missing the Bulbasaur from that pack, and we would have completed that evolution. Alright. I think this is pack number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Pack 6 coming up. Alright. Apom, Charmander, Eevee, Numel, Raticate, Chansey, and we got a Lowland Executor V. A Lowland Executor V. Fire Energy, Ariados, Charmeleon, Pupitar, and card. Okay. Keep it moving. Keep this train moving. We're on to pack 7. Pack number 7. So far, pack number 1 is the best one. Pull that Mewtwo V-Star out of there. I wish it was a Mewtwo Alt Art, but you know, we'll take it. Take what you get in the Pokemon game. Squirtle, Bibarel, Rattata. That's cool art on that one. Ooh, we got the Charizard. Yes. There we go. Yes, this is one of the chase cards in the set, the Charizard. Nice, we pulled it. There we go, lady. There we go. Velocipede, boom, Zatu, Slowbro, Lunatone. Cool. Alright. Man, okay. Alright, we're off to a very good start in these packs here. Alright, let's keep it going. So we got the Charizard so far. That's the second best card in the set to me. And we got the Mewtwo V-Star, Miltank, Eevee, Pikachu, Squirtle, Wimpod, Bibarel, another Charizard. Wow. We got 2 Charizards in one pack. Wow. 2 Charizards in one pack, y'all. Wow, I can't believe that. I can't believe my luck with this one. Wow. Slowbro, Pupitar, Pokestop, and then Pokecard. Unbelievable. I can't believe I got 2 Charizards in one pack. That is, yo, that's crazy. Wow. I don't think I've ever pulled a Charizard, and I'm pulling 2 today. By the way, I'm in Houston, Texas, so that may be why my luck is a little bit better today. I'm normally pulling in Little Charlotte, North Carolina. And look, we got another Mewtwo V-Star. What is going on today? Another Mewtwo V-Star. Wow. Insane. Insane today, you guys. Insane. Wow. Slowbro, Candela, Lunatone. Wow. I am shocked. All right, last pack. Last pack. Hopefully we can keep this magic going. I might have to get off my Pokemon cards from Houston, Texas now. For real. This is my best pool. Best pools ever, yo. This is better than the than that booster box I did. Larvitar. Okay, we got Tranquil, Larvitar, Natu. We got one more shiny card back there. Ambipom, Slowpoke, Pidove. Oh, wow. A Dragonite V-Star. Wow. Wow. This is crazy today. I got a wife. This is like I've been pulling some crazy cards today. Undefined, Rare Candy, and Camerupt. Alright, quick recap for today's pulls. We got the Dragonite V-Star, a Lowland Executor V, Conkeldurr V, a Mewtwo V-Star, another Mewtwo V-Star, a Charizard, and another Charizard. Oh, wait, this is a reverse holo Charizard, and this is a holo Charizard. Look at that, I'm just seeing that. Okay, alright, there we go. So reverse holo and a holo Charizard. Okay. Alright, all in all, great pulls today. Thank you guys for watching. Look out for the next one coming soon. Peace.